If Photoshop is giving you error 183, that usually means there's a file conflict during install or update. In simple terms, the installer is trying to overwrite something that already exists, and it can't get past it. That can happen because old Photoshop files are still on your computer, another Adobe process is locking the files, or Windows permissions are blocking the install. The good news is, this is usually fixable with a few simple steps. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Photoshop error 183 step by step. We'll start with the quickest solution first, then move into the more powerful fixes if the problem keeps coming back. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump into the first method. First, restart your PC. This sounds basic, but it often clears temporary locks and background processes that are stopping Photoshop from installing correctly. After the restart, don't open anything else yet. Go straight to the Photoshop installer file. Now right-click the installer and choose Run as administrator. Running the setup with admin privileges gives it the permissions it needs to replace files and write to protected folders. A lot of the time, this alone is enough to fix error 183, especially if the issue was caused by a simple permission conflict. If that doesn't work, move on to the next method, which is very important. You need to close all Adobe-related processes before trying the install again. Sometimes Creative Cloud or other Adobe background services keep files locked, and that prevents the installer from replacing them. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Then look through the processes list and end every Adobe-related task you can find. Pay special attention to Creative Cloud, Adobe Installer, CCX Process, and Adobe IPC Broker. If you see any other Adobe services running in the background, close those too. Once everything Adobe related is shut down, try running the Photoshop installer again as administrator. If the error still appears, the next step is to deal with leftover files from a previous installation. Old Photoshop folders or partially removed components can cause the installer to fail because it thinks the file already exists. In many cases, deleting those leftovers is what finally clears error 183. Before you delete anything, make sure Photoshop and Creative Cloud are fully uninstalled if they're still on your system. Then check common Adobe install locations such as Program Files, Program and Files x86, and any Adobe folders in your app data directory. If you find leftover Photoshop-related folders that belong to a broken install, remove them carefully. This step helps clear the conflict so the new installation has a clean path. Now, if Photoshop still refuses to install, it's time for the best fix, and that is using the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This is one of the most effective ways to remove broken Adobe files, corrupted install data, and stubborn leftovers that normal uninstalling leaves behind. First, uninstall Photoshop and Creative Cloud from your computer, then download and run the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. When it opens, follow the prompts and choose the option to clean all. This tells the tool to remove leftover Adobe components that may be causing the conflict. After the Cleaner tool finishes, restart your PC again. This restart is important because it lets Windows fully reset the file system and release any locked components. Once your computer is back on, reinstall Creative Cloud first and then reinstall Photoshop through Creative Cloud. Installing it in the proper order helps make sure all the required Adobe components are set up correctly. In most cases, this completely fixes error 183 and prevents it from happening again. Here's the best working combo if you want the highest chance of success. Delete leftover folders, run the Adobe Cleaner tool, then do an admin install. That combination is usually the most reliable solution for Photoshop error 183, especially if you've tried multiple installs and the error keeps coming back. So to quickly recap, restart your PC, run the installer as administrator, close all Adobe processes in Task Manager, remove leftover Adobe files, and if needed, use the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool before reinstalling. One of those steps should clear the file conflict and get Photoshop installing properly again. If this video helped you fix Photoshop error 183, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.